Let's make a delicious snack with sausages, quick, simple and bursting with flavor. With just a few ingredients and easy steps, you will have a tasty treat that's perfect for any time.
Prepare all the ingredients before we start. Everything you need is simple and easy to find in any store. Start with the bread. Take a slice and gently flatten it with a rolling pin.
Add the dried parsley to the batter and mix well until evenly combined, creating a fragrant and flavorsome spread.
Spread the buttery parsley mixture evenly over the flattened bread, making sure every corner is coated for maximum flavor.
Add a slice of cheese on top of the buttered bread, ready to melt into a gooey delicious layer. Place one sausage on the bread, then add a spoonful of sweet corn kernels for a tasty, colorful touch. Fold the bread carefully to enclose the filling, then secure it with a toothpick to keep everything perfectly in place while cooking. Line the baking tray with baking paper and transfer the prepared snacks onto it. Brush each one generously with the butter mixture, then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden and crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove the snacks from the oven. Take out the toothpicks before serving and enjoy them warm with your favorite sauce or any dipping sauce you like. This recipe is so easy that you can quickly whip it up and enjoy a delicious homemade snack in a time.
Save this video and follow for more.